up, guys? We are on our way to go pick up a Mustang Mach-E. I believe this one's a 2023. It's not completely dead yet. The customer was able to find a safe place to stop before he actually ran his range all the way out, because he knew he wasn't going to make it to his destination. So he was able to pull off over here at the Bungees in Angleton, and we're going to go pick it up and take him over to the local charging station. That way he can get his battery charged back up and he can go on about his way. So hopefully it's as simple as it's sounding right now. We can just hook up and go, kind of like the last Mach-E we towed. You're not going to have to do anything crazy like we had to do with that Tesla the other day. So we are on our way over there. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so we're pulling up to the Bungees. Let's see him over here. He's got her backed in, sitting pretty for us. So we're gonna pull up over here and get backed in, check on the scene so everybody knows where we're at. Trying to get pretty square with this thing so it's a straight shot up the bed. Dump our airbags, because this one's going to be kind of low. What's up, man? How you doing? Justin.
Good to see you. Yeah, I can put it in neutral and everything, so we're
cool.
Good. Nah, man, so like, about not too long ago, this car, I tried to push it. And it go too low,
it just shuts up.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah. Nah, those... Right.
You gotta jump it with that little latch.
Those, yeah, those little, the leads pop out.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Man. I was like, I paid for the service.
Right.
Might as well use it.
Well, especially on these, it comes in handy because going, you know, temperature messes with the how much range you got, like everything. It's like it fluctuates.
So I thought I had plenty, but then today at work, I don't know what I was thinking. I went to run a couple extra errands. I'm like, that's not what I meant to do.
Yeah, it kind of bit you.
Oh well, but like I said, I'm glad Ford has this service.
Right.
It's unlimited and use it when you need it.
Right.
Like where you're taking me, it's a fast charger. It'll charge me like in 15, 20
that
minutes.
one, the one in Manville there?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. That's crazy. The full charge in 10 minutes, you said?
No, I'll give you an 80% about 15
Well,
minutes.
I mean, that's good enough. That like,
Oh, hell yeah, that's
so
awesome.
80%, like, what? How far does that get you?
So a full charge is 272 miles.
They get you around. Get you around anywhere you need to go around here.
It was my fault. I knew what I was doing.
Yeah.
I messed up.
It happens. I really don't like this. It's the only provision they have for hooking these things is down here on the bottom of the bumper. Yeah.
Do I steer it up?
You can, or at least roll your window down a little bit so that way we can reach in and do it. I'm going to shorten this up quite a bit. Normally I count off my chain links, but I'm not going to on this one. It's pretty even. Got it? All right, we're gonna go ahead and suck you on up. Parking brakes released, all that good stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Go passenger with it just a little bit. Go back driver. Okay. Perfect. All right, you can go ahead and lock her down there.
What?
Yes, sir.
What's that?
Yes, sir, if you can. Watch your step coming down.
Yeah, that's it, man. I learned my lesson. I don't even bother.
No, don't even try to push it. I don't blame you.
Especially like I said, when I bought the car, it came with the service.
Right. Might as well use it.
Man, so this thing, I already know it runs on a 12 volt until everything kicks in. When that 12 volt dies,
yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, all the accessories and everything's run off 12 volt. That's how most of the EVs are. But these, I actually kind of like how Ford did these. A lot of the other EVs are like a pain to deal with. So far, all the times I've had to mess with the Mach-E's, they weren't bad.
I'll tell you what, man, I love this car.
Do you?
I have a big truck too.
Yeah.
I normally drive.
This is
I've been driving my car like crazy.
This is the fuel saver.
Oh, I love it, man.
Let me throw some straps on it real quick. You're welcome to have a seat in the trunk. All right. Following along with the towing procedure for these, we're going to use our 8-point straps. These straps here come from JRDG Towing Supply. I really wanted to use my soft Mini J with cluster hook bridle for this one, but I wouldn't have gotten this thing all the way up to bed like I wanted to, because it's just not adjustable like I would like it. For this, to be able to shorten it way up because of how the toe points are on these Mach-E's. Luckily, the Mach-E's aren't super low, so you can still use the Mini J bridles, the chain Mini J bridles, and the chain doesn't get into the bumpers or anything. So I'm going to get these hooked up here. So these 8-point straps, I've seen me use them on the channel before. I always like to kind of offset the wishbone more to this side, because I normally put my ratchet over here. Whichever side you put your ratchets on, kind of offset it opposite of that. Then, whenever you go and snug her down, the wishbone comes tight and be right in the middle. Make sure you get it nice and snug. See how the wishbone's just about centered up? Looks nice and neat. This one, the tire down there below it, so I'm gonna not run that one all the way down to the last chain link. This one's got the Brembo brakes on it. It's the Mach-E E4X, is that the correct model? I'm trying to read the side of the car there. Another important part of these 8-point straps is make sure you're watching the back side of the strap. Make sure you're not grabbing any wheel speed sensor lines or brake lines, anything like that. Bring that wishbone down to about the middle of the tire. and the front. Then snug it down. Alright. Now we're gonna go repeat this on the other side. And we're gonna hit the road. Get this thing to the charging station. So we're here. The charger's over there. Since this thing still moves, I'm gonna break the straps loose and drop it here, and he can buzz it on over, get it charged up. Got it? Alright. It's parking brake or something set. There it goes. I figured. Down nice and easy. All right. Got her in park. Woohoo. Almost tripped. Bed rolled up.
I gave you these today. You might be able to use these.
Yeah.
It's a sample pair they gave me.
Yeah, oh heck yeah.
You'd probably be able to use it for
Yeah,
I do.
heck yeah. No, I
And what's your
appreciate
name?
that. Dustin.
I'm Eric Romo. Thank you, man. I
Nice to
appreciate
meet
it.
you. Yep. Let me,
You don't hook it?
yeah, it's already unhooked.
Can you sign anything?
Yeah, I need to get you to scribble. I gotta snap a couple pictures so they can see.
Out, man.
So they can see she went from point A to point B.
All right.
Alright. Gonna go hook it up to the charger. Get enough charge to get back home, do whatever else it needs to do this weekend. Got me a new set of gloves. Impact cut resistant gloves. That's pretty cool. Never have too many pairs of gloves. So now that we got him cut loose, I'm gonna roll up all my straps here. He isn't waiting on me. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all would, please subscribe, like, and share. What's up, guys? We're heading to a rotation for the Lake Jackson Police Department. They said they're needing us over in the 400 block of 332, which is like the main highway. Picking up a 2008 Toyota RAV4, I believe. They said the hood came up and hit the windshield while they were driving down the road. So it didn't really sound like an accident or anything, unless maybe, I don't know, maybe they went off the road or hit a guardrail or something like that, if anything. Not sure if they were able to keep it under control or what exactly the situation is. So we are headed over there to see what's going on. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so they should be right here on the other side of this overpass. Right on the other side of where the entrance ramp comes up. I passed by it on the other side here. It doesn't look like it struck anything. It looks like it literally just the hood came up. Not really expecting a hard time loading it, but we'll see. I don't know if we're taking it to the yard, or the customer's going to want us to tow it somewhere or what, so we will figure that out here in just a second.
Okay with that.
Let's see what we got here. Luckily we're a little ways off the edge of the highway. Check on scene. Hello. Okay. Hoods. Like the whole hood just came undone here. Let me snap my pictures. Document the damage. What's up, guys?
Hey, bud. So
what's
ultimately what I think we're going to wind up doing is just have you take it to the yard, and she's going to use the insurance to get it
okay? Get it settled
somewhere to get work on.
Okay.
We can get everything you want out of here.
Was the insurance confirmed on it? Do you know? Or?
She's got insurance.
She's got insurance.
She's
Okay.
got full coverage insurance.
Okay. Yeah, she's good. She's good then.
Yep.
So what you pay every month for, right?
Yep.
Cool. I'll go ahead and start getting it hooked up then while she's getting her stuff ready. All right. So I guess we will be taking it to the yard since the hood is already back. Let's see how secure it is. See if I need to try to fold it down and secure it. Which, judging by the piece of rope that's on the latch currently, I'd say it's probably been an issue. See how well it shows up on the camera. There's a bungee cord that's like tied up on the hood, so they probably already knew there was some kind of a issue with the hood. I'm gonna lay down. Get this hooked up where I can see what's coming at me. I don't know if nope, it's stuck in there good with it. In that sheet metal. Alright, he's getting the keys for it. Thank you, sir. Let me get this thing into neutral. Drop that window and roll that one up. Just so I don't want to lock on us or something. tried to get pretty square with it so it wouldn't want to, I wouldn't have to get over there to turn it anyway. Let me get you one. Grab one from over here. There you go.
Appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Park. Roll the window up. Stuff ain't blowing around. Kinda surprised the windshield ain't broke. She got lucky. I'm gonna throw a couple straps on this side of the truck. Use that to get me off the road. That's where we can finish securing it down somewhere safe. And all the cops be able to get back to doing what they need to do, get her taken home, wherever they're transporting her. One more on the front here, and call this one good for the time being at least. Two different wheels on this thing. And just a spare on the back or what? There shouldn't be any paperwork because she was on scene. I'm gonna hop in the truck here. We're gonna merge into traffic as best we can. It's Monday afternoon, lunch traffic. People moving over for us. We're gonna jump in the lanes here and we're gonna haul this thing to the yard.